Can the DUA's Rendezvous really replace the legendary YSL L'Homme? And in today's video, I'm going to have my girl blindfolded and we're going to see which one of these wins this battle. Can the legendary, infamous YSL L'Homme still hold up its title? Or can it actually be replaced by the affordable dupe? Let's find out. If you guys like this type of content, my name's Johnny Sense. Leave a like or comment or something. But let's get to sniffing. So I got two tester strips, one with the DUA and one with the YSL, and we gonna get to spraying. So we'll start off with the dupe. The dupe has a really nice sprayer. It's pretty pressurized. And the YSL one, nothing crazy. Pretty basic. And she doesn't know which is which, so let's get to seeing. Sorry, you got it right here in front of you. Yep. Let us know what you think about the fragrance, darling.
Let's see. Oh, did I miss? I can definitely smell some freshness, like a citrus type smell. Maybe some lemon, like grapefruit maybe? No, lemon?
Okay.
Something citrusy.
I have both.
But like also green, like aquatic-y green. I don't know, but I think it smells pretty good. It's a little spicy, I will say that. Like the tiniest bit spicy. It's a little, itchy on your nose. But I think it smells really good. I give it maybe like I give it a solid 8.
Awesome. So this scent profile, she's hitting it like right the head on the nail here. It is a little bit of spicy. You do get some freshness, a little bit of aquaticiness here because of some violet leaves, some ginger. I believe you do definitely got some lemon going on here. I think even some grapefruit, but I could be wrong here. So she's got the citruses. I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty solid. And what about this other one right here?
This one smells kind of similar, but much lighter. I will say it's not as spicy. This one's giving more sweetness, but not like a whole lot of sweet. Like a barely there type sweet too. But I do still get like some citrus, some type of like green aquatic scent.
Okay.
I would give this one, I think I'd give it like a 7.8. Like it's really close to the other one. It's just lighter.
How close do you think it is in terms of percentage?
Maybe like a 78, maybe.
Okay, 78%.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
And what do you rate this
Uh,
compared to the other one?
yeah, I give it like a 7.8 too. Like it smells pretty good. I don't hate it.
Okay, well, awesome. This to me, honestly, the YSL came off the strip a little bit more green. You definitely do get like that lemony, sharp citrus, gingery pop going on here. A little bit of aquaticness because of that violet leaf. And she says that she couldn't smell the DUA. I feel like if you rub your nose on the strip, then yeah. Right now I couldn't, but earlier, just like a few seconds ago when I just smelt it, it actually kind of smelled stronger than it. and it is an extrait, so it's supposed to be even a more concentrated version, essentially. So, I mean, we might just getting nose blind to the fragrance, also just rubbing it on our noses. You know what I mean? But the scent profile itself, I would agree. It's an 8. It's still a very likable fragrance. Do you think it still keeps up to today's time compared to the modern fragrances that you smelled? Or does it smell like a little too old school at this point for you?
No, I wouldn't give it this. Honestly, I think it's still pretty good. Like it's fresh. It's clean. I'll say that. Let's
It
go with
still it
clean.
still keeps
Yeah.
up with today's fragrances for sure.
Yeah.
All right, nice. Yeah, I think it's definitely a timeless fragrance indeed. An 8, I would say max for sure. Um, Definitely a bed night fragrance I like to wear for sure. This one, in my opinion, is great for panty droppers. Great for before you have some sexy time. Just clean, easy to wear. White tee, summer. It is very light fragrance. That is the main complaint with the original. That is just very light. She kind of peeped that as well. It is kind of a light scent profile. So the Duo one does make it longevity wise, in my opinion, since I've worn it quite a bit. Um, Not that bad. Definitely lasts for the full day, pretty much. And she's definitely given it like a 7 at least, as far as I know. Which
Okay.
one smells more expensive, or like the actual, the real cologne, the real? Which one do you think smells like YSL L'Homme, and which one is the dupe?
Which one is the dupe and which one's the original?
Yep.
That's a toughie. Um, I think this one's the original and this one's the dupe. But I feel like you said it was the opposite.
Okay. Say it again.
I said I think this is the original and this is the dupe, but I think you said it was the opposite.
You gonna lock in on that?
Yeah.
All right, she's locking in. And ding, 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 she wins. She caught the dupe. Is there anything in particular that made you think that, or what? You can take it off now.
I think it's just the it's lighter. So obviously whenever like it comes to dupes, you're not going to get the same exact thing. You're not going to get the same ingredients. They're going to try to go for something similar. Um but obviously never the same exact thing. Maybe because like it's harder for them to get the ingredients or like it's more expensive or whatever. Um but they did get really close. I will say that. Um like I said, it wasn't as strong, so I do feel like that kind of gave it away a little bit.
Mm, okay. So, which one would you recommend to them? Would you recommend the original
Okay.
or the dupe for $30?
Mm, obviously, I would go for the original, but in this economy, sometimes it's not worth it. You can get pretty much the same thing for way cheaper. So, $30 is pretty good with me. You
Okay.
smell pretty similar to the original.
I would say for $100, definitely, if that's all you can get it for, probably go with the dupe. I wouldn't mind that at all. I'm not mad at all with the dupe. I'm actually very surprised. It did take a little bit of time for it to get as good as it is now, but kind of worth it in my opinion, to be honest. And I'm not too mad at all. This for $100, probably not on certain markets. I'll probably put it in the bio, probably on Joma Shop or something. You probably get it for like $60. If that's the case, I would say definitely go ahead and get the original like I did. But yeah, that's the fragrance. Any final thoughts?
Mm, I will say if you wear this, I think you'll be pretty attractive, just like a sexy type smell for sure.
Sexy Mojo. Yeah. So that's going to be the fragrance video for today, guys. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you guys like this type of content, man. Appreciate all the love and support. See you guys next time on the next video. Peace.
Like and subscribe.